At Lapp, we know the sun's energy is immense, and we've only just begun to tap its potential for generating electricity. That's why bigger and more powerful solar parks are being built all over the world. In addition to PV modules, inverters, generators, transformers, and substations, that also requires exactly a reliable connection. And that's where we come in. Lapp is your one-stop shop for creating a reliable connection for your solar project. From solar cables for connecting PV modules and combiner boxes, low-voltage cables for connecting inverters and transformers, to medium-voltage cables for transporting the energy to the substation, and even high-voltage cables for feeding the power into the national grid. Of course, we also have the right earthing cables and connection solutions for everything else a solar park might need, such as meteorological stations, data control stations, and CCTV systems. And of course, always certified under the current local norms and standards. Perfectly coordinated and optimized for long-term use, even under extreme weather conditions. Capable of handling ozone and UV radiation, heat and sandstorms, rain and strong winds, as well as cold and snow. We'll work with you to develop custom solutions for your project that are optimally tailored to your needs. To ensure smooth communication, we'll assign a fixed contact person for each one of your projects, no matter where you are in the world. Our specialized teams are present wherever you need them to provide the best possible support at every stage of your project, from planning to assembly and delivery, up to realization and maintenance on every continent. Competent, reliable, and with unlimited energy. Lapp. Competence that connects.